Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine the House Cats. I have this box from Maree, or not sure how to say that. But this is a skincare company, and I have had products from them in the past. The name reminds me, I'm going to say Maree, and that reminds me of Maree, a fabulous subscriber that has her own channel. It's Maree Beauty Junkie. I will put her below. Go check her out. Smudge is right here. So I need to put things out, but I can't. But I'm going to show you. This company, way back when they first came around, they sent me some sheet masks, and they're really lovely sheet masks. And they sell their products on Amazon. They do have their own website. But at that time, I think they did not have their own website. It was just on Amazon. And so they, would refer you to Amazon. They have face masks and eye masks, pimple patches, things like that. They also have some skincare now, moisturizers and things like that. So they had a campaign, if you will. They sent out emails. I got an email asking, just, saying, I don't remember if I joined. I already was on their website. I don't remember exactly, but they just said, you want in? And I said, yes. Then they ended up sending me a coupon for $12 off whatever I want. I don't think there was, I didn't have to spend a certain amount, but it was from their website. So this is what I got. And like I said, they have a lot of different things. They're not inexpensive though. So I got this because this is a combination kind of a gift. Come on. This box has stuff in it that'll add up to a lot more than the price of the box. The box was $35 and I got $12 off. And this box is valued at $87.90 plus there's an item that I don't know the price on. So let me show it to you. Let me move back a little bit because of smudge. Let me see how to, this was shrink wrapped and it came in a box shipped. It's American brand, formulated and designed in the USA, it says. And it also says true to your beauty is what it says under here. All right, settle down, smudge. Okay, so this is how it opens. Okay. All right, so there's a magnet closure here, and then it opens like this. And there's little poofy things in there. So let's see what's all in here. All right. It has a lovely makeup bag. See, now this is just like a free gift included in here, but they do sell this cosmetic bag on their website for $20. And again, I paid $23 for this whole box. So this is nice. It's pleather. It has a flat bottom. It's really, wow, it's really well constructed. It has a beautiful zipper, double-sided zipper. And there's plastic on here for the name. Their name Maree is on there, so it's brass colored, copper colored, and it opens like this. And this is what I can't find on their website to find a price for, is this mirror. So you got this lovely gift set. Let's see, we'll open this up. This is nice. It has some heft to it. It's not just a little junky mirror. It is really pretty. It's plastic. I don't know. It's like a silicone. Well, it feels like this leather. He likes to chew on stuff like that. It feels like the bag. So it's pleather and the same copper trimming. And there's a little tissue inside. And it is a regular mirror and a, I'm not sure how, five times maybe, something in there. It's a beautiful mirror. And then it closes nicely. So that is a beautiful gift. Look how nice and wide that opens. And in this cosmetic bag, there is a zipper pocket in here as well. So this is very, very nice. Smudge likes all the plastic. So let's see what the products are that we got in here. There's a card. It says, wake up to your true beauty. And Maree was created with the ocean in mind. Every product is made with consideration of our impact on Mother Earth and our collective well-being. We are always learning new ways to do better. Our mission is to serve the people and the planet first and help you feel good in your skin and body. We are very thankful to you as part of our community. True to You Beauty, Maree's team. So there's that. And then we have, whoops, those little things are popping out of there. I think there's 3 products in here. Yes. 1. This box is beautiful. Okay. I'll take these out, and then this is a great keepsake box. Or just, you know, you can put a lot of things in there. And it's just, you know, a nice sturdy box. So they have their traditional sheet masks in here. Everything is shrink wrapped, which is really nice. So this is a value of $17.32, the sheet masks. And they are printed sheet masks. These are what I've had before. I'm almost positive, unless I don't think they have different styles of sheet masks. But let me take the shrink wrap off and smudge, please. I took the shrink wrap off, and it says marine collagen facial masks, dermatologist recommended, hyaluronic acid and pearl extract, professional treatment, wrinkles, dry skin, photo aging, and there's 6 masks in here. And let's see what they look like. Yeah, this is the set that I got several years ago. So they're beautiful. Look at this beautiful packaging. Beautiful. And then these masks are printed. They're a printed mask. So there's, he's driving me crazy. He's chewing on things. All right, so here's the back to tell you what they're all about. So this is marine collagen. They might all say the same thing. Marine complex. Yeah, they say the same thing, but you know, there are different masks. So that is really, really nice. Put that back in here. That is on their website. These cost $17.32 for these 6 masks. So you can also find them on Amazon. And I'll tell you, I know I keep them in, you know, below my cart a lot in Amazon, because the price fluctuates. So if you don't get this kit is very, very well worth $35. But if you don't get the kit, you might, and you just want the face masks or the eye mask that I'll show you, or something like that, you can get that from Amazon. I don't think you can get the cosmetic bag though from Amazon. I've never seen it there. So next up in this kit, they have Marine Skincare Acne Patches. Now I did not need this. These are $17.32, pimple patches. And there are 72 dots, it says. Acne, blackheads, pimples. Well, I didn't know that pimple patches work for blackheads. I didn't know that. I'm not gonna, this is shrink wrapped. I'm not gonna take the shrink wrap off because I won't use this. So I'll pass this on to somebody or put it in a giveaway. So I don't wanna, you know, they're sheets, so they probably would be all right, but I don't want to, you know, bother them if they, you know, as far as the time limit goes on them, if that makes sense. So this is $17.32, the same price as the sheet masks, if you just go to the website to buy these, okay? And then in this kit are the Marine Collagen Eye Gels. And these are priced at $33.26. And I got this whole box. It's $35. I got it for $23 because they sent me a promotional $12, you know, coupon. So in here are 12 pair, and they're, again, the packaging is all different color. Look how beautiful. Their packaging is gorgeous. So there's, I think, gonna be, yeah, two of each. When I first was introduced to this company, I didn't know they were from the States. So that is very nice to know. Let's see if it tells us anything. Marine collagen. Yeah, they all say the same thing, the Marine Collagen Eye Gels. These have, they're real pretty, and they have, you know, sparkles in them and stuff like that, but gorgeous packaging. Gorgeous packaging. So this set, again, was $35. The eye masks, 12 sets, 6 sheet masks. the acne patches, pimple patches, and this beautiful, beautiful cosmetic bag and mirror. Just really beautiful. This is really well weighted. I like that it's not just flimsy or it's just a piece of junk that, you know, you drop and it'll break. It says American brand since 2022. And this is just, it's so beautiful in there. It's beautiful. So just something to think about if you need a gift for someone. Because like I said, well worth $35. Go to their website and maybe sign up for emails, and maybe they would send you that same promotional coupon. Or I think well, they sent me an email. You may see something on Instagram about them as well. They have, you know, they do Instagram, and sometimes I see promotions over there, so you might see something like that. Really, really beautiful set and well worth it. And the whole thing, like I said, it's $87.90 is the value of it all, and that's without the mirror. I have no idea how much the mirror costs, but I'd say that mirror was a good $10 to $20 mirror because it's, you know, it's got some good weight to it. So let me know what you think about this box. It's called the Beauty Ritual Box. They have a couple of different boxes, I think, different sets. So you might find something else that you like better. But I wanted to get the face masks because I know they're wonderful, and I wanted to get the eye masks. So that's what I have to show you today, y'all. So I hope that you enjoyed it, and let me know, and y'all take care and count your blessings. Good to see you. Bye-bye.